Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can sort contacts by first name or last name on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here, tap on contacts. Next, once you're in contacts, tap on the menu key on the left hand side, and then tap on the settings button at the top. And in the contact list, tap on sort contacts by. By default, it is set to first name. So in here, you can choose sort by first name or by last name. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your contacts, or tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.